Morning! So, in our meet yesterday, a few of you asked why shapes have corners. Now, the answer to that is just because when two sides meet, it makes a corner. Let me show you. So what I have here is a piece of blue tack that I've rolled out into a long line. This is not a shape. This is a line. And if I make it squiggly, that's still just a line. Still just a line. But then if I make the ends meet, then this is a little bit squint looking, but this is a circle. So a circle is a shape with one side and no corners. Now, I could make that into an oval. So an oval is like a squashed circle, still doesn't have any corners. So now I've got 4 just bits of spaghetti, and we're going to use them to make shapes. So if I put these together, if I use 3 of them, what shape am I going to make? So I've used 3 of them to make a triangle. And because it's got 3 sides, whenever the sides meet, that makes a corner. I can't make this shape with 3 sides without it having corners. You just can't, because if I do that, then it doesn't have 3 sides anymore. Okay, if I give my shape 4 sides, it's a bit tricky to get the pasta to behave when I'm using one hand for my camera. But if I give my shape 4 sides, then that's going to be a square. Ish. But again, I can't make those sides meet without creating a corner. So because it has 4 sides, it has 4 corners. If you want, you can have a play about with that by yourself. You could get some spaghetti or some bits of Lego or even just some like pens or pencils or something. And hopefully if you have a play and make the shapes yourself, then you'll understand that you can't make a square without giving it corners, because when it has sides, it has corners. Okay. So I hope that helps. If you're still struggling with it, just get mum or dad to send me a wee message. But I think once you've had a play about with it, you will start to understand that when a shape has sides, it has corners. If it has more than one side, then it has corners. And sometimes we see shapes that have rounded corners, like this coaster. But it still has corners, even though they're not sharp, pointy corners. It still has corners because it has sides, and where the sides meet, there's a corner. Okay.